Great. Good evening, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to discuss about Armstrong number. So, in our previous video, we already discussed what is Armstrong number, how should we write a program to find out whether the given number is Armstrong number or not. We have discussed it in our previous video. If you have not watched it, means I will put it in the description. I will put the link in the description. Try to watch it. Okay. So, we have discussed a program print which will say that the given number is Armstrong number or not. But in this video we are going to discuss in a range how many Armstrong numbers are there. Okay, in a range how many Armstrong numbers are there. So for example, from 1 to 100, can you tell me how many Armstrong numbers are there? Only one number is there, that is 1 is the only Armstrong number from 1 to 100. Okay, so we have to find out how many Armstrong numbers are there in a range. Okay, that is the program. So we already discussed it in our previous video. If you have not watched that video, means try to watch it. Armstrong is nothing but the sum of cube of every digit of a number is equal to the number itself is called Armstrong number. Okay, the sum of cube of every digit of a number is equal to the number itself is called Armstrong number. That is what Armstrong number is, that we have discussed it in the previous video. So in this video we are directly getting into the program. We are not discussing what is Armstrong number, so directly we are getting into the program. So in this video we are going to discuss Armstrong number in a range. Okay, I have to take a for loop and I have to take I variable here. I am initializing it with 1, and I am going to give condition I less than or equal to find. I have to find out how many Armstrong numbers are there from 1 to 500. If I want to know how many Armstrong are there from how many Armstrong numbers are there from 1 to 100, I have to take 1000 here. It's my wish. Okay, you can take 10,000 here if you want to find out Armstrong numbers from 1 to 10,000. Or if you want to find out Armstrong numbers from 500 to 1000, means you put just 500. I is equal to 500 and I less than or equal to 1000. Okay, you will find out how many you will find out Armstrong numbers from 500 to 1000. Okay, it's completely your wish. I'm trying to find out Armstrong numbers from 1 to 1000. Okay, let us take 1 to 1000, and I'm going to increment I. Okay, so this is the first loop. Okay, I'm going to take inner loop here. So int j is equal to, okay, before that I have to initialize two variables here. Okay, I have to take ld is nothing but last digit. Okay, and I'm going to take another variable int sum is equal to 0. Okay, these two variables I have taken, and coming to the inner loop I'm going to initialize j with I, and I'm going to give condition j less than j is equal to I, and I'm going to give condition, which condition means j less than, not j greater than 0. This is the condition that I have given. I'm going to update j value as j by 10. J is equal to j by 10. This is the second loop. Okay, so in this loop what I'm going to do is I'm going to reinitialize ld value as j modulus 10. Okay, and I'm going to say sum is equal to sum plus ld into ld. Okay, this is the condition. Okay, this is the inner loop, what inner loop contains. After in inner loop I'm going to say, okay, if I is equal to sum, okay, I can say that it is Armstrong number. Okay, it's like I is an Armstrong number. So this is the condition. Okay, if I try to run the program, I am going to get Armstrong number from 1 to 1000. Okay, see, so let me give some space here. See, 1 is an Armstrong number, 153 is an Armstrong number, 370 is an Armstrong number, 371 is an Armstrong number. 407 is an Armstrong number. These are the Armstrong numbers from 1 to 1000. Okay, these are the Armstrong numbers from 1 to 1000. This is very easy program. Okay, so you can find it very easily. If I want to know Armstrong numbers from 1 to 2000, instead of 1000 you put 2000 here. Okay, let me see, is there any other numbers from 1 to 2000? Okay, so no, only these 5 are the Armstrong numbers from 1 to 10,000. If I put 1 to 10,000 here, let me see, is there any other Armstrong numbers? No. Okay, so I have only 5 Armstrong numbers here. Okay, this is how you find out Armstrong numbers in a range. Okay, thank you for watching this. Have a practice on it. This is very critical program. The chances of asking this question in interview is less, but you must know what is Armstrong number. This will be asked in the interview. Okay, thank you for watching it. Have a great practice.